it's ang gawin lang natin siguro is let's encourage them to be competitive the next time. Like for example, for this next conference to get a very good import like that. Sana makakuha sila ng napakagaling na import para maging competitive sila. And then let's have parang yun nga yung let's bring back the fans. Yan lang, babalik lang naman talaga yan kung talagang nakikita na nila na talaga, oh wow, we can watch our 200 pesos will be
Correct.
Worth it,
parang
oo.
worth it na makapanood
Na-heartbroken
ako ng
kasi
dalawang
ako, coach,
Ovalhead.
Na-heartbroken ako dati. Pina-follow ko na yung Terra Firma nung si Wami Chongson, si Stephen Ho. Tapos lakas nagpapanood.
Yeah.
Kaya biglang nawatak-watak na naman, nakaka-frustrate. Anyway,
I think
Homer.
that's to answer your question, if I may. That's the problem with Blackwater and Terra Firma. The draft was designed to make the bad teams improve, and how do you do that? Is that you get high in the draft order, you get to pick the top talent. Problema, pinitrade nila eh. I think on last count, between Terra Firma and Blackwater, they have traded, I think, 12 of the top picks na over the course of the year. So, kaya hindi sila nag-i-improve. If you are so...
Yeah, you will see the rain or shine eh. You will see the rain or shine. They are the top teams now.
Magaling. Yan ang palaban.
Because of the pick. They get the players that they want, the system ni Coach Yeng na ito, kailangan ko tong player na to, and then they build the core on that drop ng mga after